Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
That's okay. Kind of gives me a nice. Some people want to know how deep it is and all. Did you build this?
No, my dad did.
Your dad, okay. Oh, so you can open the trunk through the string.
Yeah.
The flex?
Yeah, because I broke it.
You did? Yeah. Where's all your electrical? Is it all in there?
Stop.
Okay, so your amp and all's in there though?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's go check it out. Oh, that door's locked. Or...
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, I like it. Looks good. So you took your back seats out, and oh, this looks good, man. Nice work. So you kind of built a baffle on top of a box. Nice. It's good, man.
What's up, man?
Oh, how you doing? Doing video?
Good. Just checking out this dope view.
Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. Yeah. So could you tell me your name and what all's in here? Like, I don't know, man.
All right, my name's Quinton, and these are my two Scar ZDX 12s, D1.
Okay. Nice. Did you start out as a trunk box before this?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like this more than the trunk box build? Yeah. Okay. Very nice. That's a pretty big port, or like deep, pretty deep in there.
I really don't know the dimensions on it. We kind of just like slapped it together.
Yeah. It's all right. So you don't know any box specs? Okay.
But I know I could play it really low.
Mm-hmm. And is this the amp for the subs?
Yeah, it's a DS.
Nice.
GFX 3K.
Yep. Okay. Did you do any SPL burp tests at all? Okay.
I ain't metered it yet.
And stock electrical, no alternator, battery, anything?
I got a yellow top Optima at front, and I got some Big 3 kit. That's about it.
All right. Awesome. Sounds good. I like it, man. Looks good. Different style. So you got your seats out, and you have a whole trunk system right here. Trunk wall, I guess they would call it. Yeah.
I really don't have nobody riding back here, so.
Correct. Yeah, man. Get the most out of your system.
Yeah.
What is this RMS wise on this amp? Put into the subs. I like it.
I got one question for you.
Yeah, man. Sure.
Could you sign it for me?
I can't after the video. Yeah.
Right.
Is this 1200 watts? 1500 or?
It's a 3K, but
3K?
I'm not pushing the full because of my stock.
Yeah.
Electrical.
Yeah. It's crazy how technology is came. This small little amplifier is 3,000 watts, whereas 3,000 watt Korean amp an old 5 years ago would be like 3 times the size. So give them a like, everybody. Shout out. Subscribe. All right. Love to hear it.
When we could be superstars, we've been rather wrecking cars.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is that sex for us? Kicking off column us. Yeah, we could be superstars. But a rage gonna drive us out. And so we fell on the spinning drops. Just a beat of trial, it's a bang on trial.
Well, you might know I'm be your killer, nobody who play with you around with you. Boy, get skinny, nigga like fuck this killer.
appreciate the demo. What was your name again?
Quinton.
Quinton. All right, Quinton,
Appreciate it,
man.
man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for watching, everyone.